Hi team. So this video is all about how we need to upload the blog on WordPress and how we have to optimize it. So I'll show you a step-by-step procedure. So guys, firstly, you have to go on the all post and you will be able to see a lot of blogs which are already published. So what you have to do is you need to just uh, pick the recent one. So you just need to view the very recent one and see if everything is good or not. There you go. Yes. So this was a recent blog which was published by myself. Uh, I think this is a good blog which you can refer to. So the first step is that you have to duplicate this blog. And as soon as you'll be done with that, you will see a draft element written over here. Then you have to click on uh, edit. So this page will be here. This is a place where you need to do the optimization. And then here you will see an option to edit the content. So now let's take some example. So for instance, so if say for example, this is the blog which I have to use. So this one. This is of some other website, so don't get confused, guys. I hope before you just uh, upload anything, you should be ready with your content first. And here I can see the topic, so you have to put the topic over here. So, and then in the beginning, you have to define the slug. Slug means URL of the page. So URL for URL, you need to uh, lowercase the the topic, and then URL should be very short and concise. So you need to identify the most important part of the topic, and then you need to uh, hyphen separate them. Maybe you can remove the word the yes, these words can be removed to keep it very short and concise. But let's not remove word to, because in this case, just see how to save money. So to has a role over here. So you need to copy it. You need to go in the URL part first. URL by URL, I mean slug. You have to go over here, and then you have to ensure that the slug is lowercase. And then you need to remove this image as well, the previous image. You should be ready with your image. So in this case, let's keep this one as an image, and it has to be of that particular size which that website supports. So uh, you need to ensure that. So let's not upload any new image. Let's use any one which I have already used. Or either ways, like it's your choice. So if you already have that image uploaded, then you can pick it from there. Otherwise, you have to upload it. So when you upload the image, then you have to ensure, like in the alt text, you should put the keyword. So ideally, it should be the topic of the blog. So in this case, maybe you can remove this in 2024. Uh, although this is an old blog, so it has to be doing in 5. So you can copy this topic here, then in title, mention it, keep caption blank, sorry, and in description, put this, and now image is uploaded to, and then you have to copy the topic and you have to do some optimization. So in title tag, put the complete topic. It's green, so it's good to go. Description you have to write of your own. So in this case, uh, let's create it. I'm just going it on very quickly. So in some cases it will not make any sense. But when you are publishing any blog, then you have to ensure like meta description is very uh, apt. So meta description is like 155 characters description, which explains this blog. So in this blog, uh, our main keyword is how to save money by hiring virtual assistant. So you need to put it uh, here on the top. So now we are done with these things. So now you have to go on the schema part and the social part. So in social part, you have to copy title from here. So okay, so this is the first one is for as you can see, it's a generic social media, and other one is for Twitter. So in Twitter, you have to put it like this. Now go on the SEO part, copy description, and then put it here, and then put it here. And now you have to click on publish. As soon as you will publish the blog, you will get a link. So post published, view. So click over here. You will see that your blog is published, right? So the only part which is not published is the content because we have not touched that part yet. Now you have to copy this URL. This is a very important part which you have to understand. Like uh, now you have to go on the advanced part and you have to put this URL in the canonical URL, right? So this is very, and you have to ensure like this is yes, this blog should be crawlable. Now you are basically done with the on-page optimization of the blog. This is all that is required in the blog part. Now you have to click on edit Elementor. So loading of Elementor will take some time. So there will be a lot of patience test here. Like yeah. Now when you are on this page, you have to simply click on this box When you are done with that, then you will see a text box over here. So what you have to do is you have to copy the complete content, and then you have to paste it over here. So whatever change you will be doing here, you will be able to see, um, you will be able to see those things getting reflected over here. So just go on the content. Now you see this is the headline. So headline should be, so the topic should be H1, where you have to do nothing. These things are H2. So like, I hope it's very simple thing, right? So these things will be H2. This. So you have to put this headline into heading 2. So how you can do that is just drop down and then select this. From the drop down, select them as a H2. Okay. Now then simply go over here, make it H2, right? So you have to do this with all the headlines, and then conclusion, maybe we can keep it as H3. Even H2 is not wrong, but generally like conclusion is not so crucial. So you have to ensure this thing. Another thing is like, guys, for SEO and SEO, we have to do a lot of internal linking. So when you are going through the content, then you have to ensure that you are you are knowing that which pages will get internal link with these blog posts. So uh, very quickly, if you see like, if this is a word where you can link our in any blog or any page, then internal link that as well. You can do it very easily. Say for example, if you have to internal link this phrase, then you have to click here on the link, and then you have to put our website link over here. So when you're done with this, then simply publish, and your blog is done. So this is how you have to upload the blog and then optimize it. These are the parameters that you have to keep in mind. So I hope